for our states, which not only contribute to the nation's demographic fabric, but also enrich its cultural landscape. The strength of India lies in its plurality. Our cultural and linguistic diversities are assets that strengthen our nation, enabling us to harness a wide range of perspectives and innovations. Kerala's Kudumbashree initiative, which empowered millions of women, and Tamil Nadu's midday meal scheme are state-specific innovations that became templates for the nation later on. Centralizing power will stifle such localized situations, which are crucial for addressing India's diversity. Cultural preservation and federalism are intertwined in the Indian experience underlines it. When smaller or less populous states lose political clout, their capacity to safeguard their cultural traditions diminishes. A homogenized parliament dominated by populous states could sideline regional priorities, eroding the pluralism envisioned by modern India's founders. A centralized process that ignores these factors not only dilutes regional voices but also threatens the balance that has allowed India to thrive as a united and diverse republic. The Union government must therefore engage in meaningful dialogue with the states and incorporate our considerations so as to safeguard states' interest before going ahead with the delimitation process. Reducing the representation of our states will create a political and regional imbalance and undermine the diversity of our pluralistic democracy. This must not happen. Kerala's stance on this matter is unequivocal.